Sup y'all, today's video is a little different. Oh, if you wanted to know, my shirt says International Curving Men Champion of the World. So the point of this video, I spent a lot of money on a brand that I wouldn't normally spend money on, the KKW Beauty fragrance launch. I ended up getting the Kimoji Hearts. It's the second collection that she came out with. I have the fragrances Baby Girl, Baddie, and Wifey. They just came in a basic box, like nothing was actually special about this. I believe the entire trio was $90, not counting shipping and tax and all that good stuff. So $90 for all three of these. I don't think it's that bad because fragrances just cost a crap ton of money. The first one that I'm gonna go ahead and unbox for you is the fragrance, I'm so used to saying shade from doing makeup videos, but is the fragrance Wifey. So it's the yellow heart. Basically, it's supposed to be a really feminine, soft, sweet caramel fragrance. Oh, what I think is so cute about this though, so it's like Valentine's Day themed, so it's themed like those little weird hearts that we used to eat as children, even though they taste like poop. And on the side it has like a to, so you can just give it as a gift, and there's a from as well. So that, I think that's really adorable. Ooh, this has some weight to it. I'm actually pretty surprised. So it is oh, if you drop this on something that's breakable, like it will break. This is a nice, there's a lot of weight to this. It's a great size. It fits right in your hand, and this is what it looks like. All right, let's do the sniff test. Is my $90 worth the money? What? I would say this smells like citrus, oranges, and a little bit of just like random flower. Like that's what this smells like. It's really feminine. That's how they described it, and this smells like every chick in high school right here. So this is the fragrance Baby Girl, same exact thing, cute little heart. This is interesting. This is like a musky fruit flavor, if that's even possible. Like it's like a more masculine scent, but extremely feminine at the same time. It's insane. I'm glad they smell completely different because I would be mad if they all smelled the same. For the last fragrance, it is the fragrance Baddie. Okay, so I'll be honest, this is my least favorite out of all three. I just feel like, yeah, it smells exactly like what they said. It smells like trees. It smells like leaves. Let me just spray them. Even though I'm probably gonna be super stinky after this. Let's do it. Oh, this smells good. Never mind, I lied. Okay, so I said I didn't like Baddie that much. But on, it just smells like you took a nice shower. You put on some nice smelling lotions. You still smell like a tree, but you smell like a sweet tree that possibly has like mangoes or something on it. Yeah, and Baby Girl, basically what I thought the first time, this really smells like a men's cologne. But I like it. It's just really strong. Like if you use this, one spray is enough. You don't want to be like that one uncle that comes in and everybody knows he's here, you know? Wifey's the bomb. This is like the sweetest of all the flavor, oh, I said all the flavors, all the fragrances. And I think that this one, I don't know, it's just so wearable. And it smells super sweet and citrusy, and it smells like a little bit of baby powder, and I just think it smells amazing. If you don't want to buy the entire trio, which one would I get? It's 100% Wifey, 100%. And then if you're into those musky scents, then definitely take a look at Baby Girl. I personally will not be wearing this very much. If you don't like musky scents, don't choose Baby Girl. And then Baddie is sweet. It's a good mid-tone. It's not as sweet as Wifey is. So if you don't like overly sweet fragrances, definitely choose Baddie instead of Wifey. Overall, I'm actually really happy with this entire haul. These are all distinctive. They all smell different. The weight on this packaging is freaking amazing. They're gonna look great on my tabletop. Hopefully they will sit straight. Yeah, I'm thinking they're gonna sit like this. I just think they're cute, aesthetically pleasing, and they smell great. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that this was helpful, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Peace.